Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 best places where to sell PLR ebooks. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not also stick around to the end, because there's going to be a dad joke. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at a place called E-Junkie. Now this is perhaps the oldest and maybe even the best of the bunch that I'm going to be showing you today. Now, I'll show you why I think it's probably one of the best. Well, first of all, you can go through here and you can set up your own store, much like you can on some of the other sites, for example Gumroad and Payhip. But the difference here is that unlike Gumroad and Payhip, you are allowed to promote PLR ebooks and other things on here as well. Now you can have a look through here and you can have a look around and just to see what it's like. Now I will say all of these sites that I'm showing you today are priced. You do need to pay some money towards them. Now let's have a look at some of the features. Now E-Junkie here, we can have a look at that. It's maintenance free. You can sell literally anything as long as it's legal. You can also sell anywhere, and also too, it's simple and powerful, and obviously it can do digital deliveries, ebook production. You got shopping carts, product landing pages, sell downloads offline, discounts and coupons, shipping, packaging, inventory management, affiliate programs, pay what you want, promotional freebies, exposure, packaged products, analytics, customizable, third-party integration, and tax. Now, one of the things that you need to have a look at here is the pricing. So let's go and have a look at the pricing. Now over here, they've got a fairly simple setup. There's no setup fees, no transaction fees, no transaction limits, and no bandwidth. Now have a look over here. You've got a number of products that you can sell. For $5 a month, you can sell 10 products, but each download can only be up to 200 megabytes. So maybe an ebook, the license perhaps if you're going to be selling PLR, or master resale rights, and you can go in here and you can just make sure it's under 200 megabytes and you'll be able to do that, but you can only store 10 products on there. So $5 a month for that one. If you're wanting to go twice that amount, but you'll get 4 times the amount you can actually store. So over here you got 40 products you can keep at 2 gigabytes. So that means you might even be able to upload some small videos if you wish to, PLR videos. Now you can't do remote files, meaning that you can't have files from another site can be then linked to this. You do get a storefront. You can get unlimited sales and unlimited downloads, which is really awesome, which is what you want. Now over here, if you're doing $20 a month, you get 150 products you can sell, or 8 gigabytes per product that you can actually download. So if you have a decent size product and it's less than 8 gigabytes in size, then you can actually have that on this one here. And that will usually entail videos, ebooks, checklists, and various other products if you're wanting to do it through PLR. And you can have a look down here and you can see what else you can do, or you can do $40 a month and it's unlimited. Now I want to show you something else too, just to prove to you that selling PLR is allowed here. From E-Junkie themselves, selling PLR products online via E-Junkie. Start your own business selling PLR material via E-Junkie. And I'm not going to go reading through that, but it's saying you're well and truly allowed to do it. So E-Junkie definitely allows you to be able to sell private label rights products, whether that be ebooks, videos, or any of the sort like that, software, whatever it happens to be. Another good thing about E-Junkie is they have their own marketplace, meaning that if you choose to, you can actually put a product on here and it will be on the marketplace for people to purchase. Now if you want to, you can also start up an affiliate program where people can sell products for you, and you can in fact start making money through other people selling their products for you. And of course you pay a commission, but you can do it through here as well, and they have their own affiliate program that you can then lock into. All right, now let's go and have a look at site number 2. Now site number 2 is called Simple Goods. Sell the things you make. So it doesn't have to be physical books. As you can see, it can be ebooks, video tutorials, coaching, paid newsletters, Spanish lessons, subscriptions, themes, etc. And you can start for free with this, but they also have payment options as well. Now these guys, from what I can see, don't actually have the option of putting it on a marketplace. However, saying that, Simple Goods do have an amazing price structure. You can start off for free, but you're only allowed to do 3 products from there. Plus each file size is only 25 megabytes, so it's not a huge thing. Maybe an ebook, perhaps a license with that as well, maybe, all depending on what it is you are selling. But you do also have to share 3% of the sales. Now if you decide to go with the $9 a month, which is called the Grow, you share 1% of the sale, plus you're allowed to hold 10 products, 250 megabytes, which is obviously 10 times the amount, and you can sell subscriptions, which is what you really want if you're wanting to have like a membership. Now if you don't want to be able to share any of the sales with these guys, it's $29 a month. You can have up to 50 products, 5 gigabytes maximum size, and you can also sell subscriptions. Now let's have a look at the legal page. Now over here I had a good look through this, and nowhere here does it say that you can't sell PLR. Unlike PayHip or Gumroad, PayHip and Gumroad, neither of those allow you to sell PLR products as PLR products. If you're going to sell a product through there, you must change it, not include any licenses, and just sell it as an ebook or a video course. But it cannot say private label rights anywhere on it, and you must rebrand it and change it to make it unique to you. Unlike these guys, where they will allow you to start up a PLR store if you wish to. Now of course they do have certain rules and regulations you need to check with, so have a look through the limitations and also the legal stuff, and you'll find a lot more about that yourself. So don't take my word for it, check it out for yourself, read through and have a look at what it says. So this is called Simple Goods. Okay, all the links for these will be down in the description down below. Now let's go have a look at this one. Now let's go and have a look at some of the features. You go over here, you got no website needed, you got payment built in, automatic file delivery, also you can start selling in minutes, and let's have a look at some of these things. So as I said before, there's no website needed. Absolutely. Already have a website, that's great. Then you can put a buy now button onto your website if you wish to. If you have a buy now button, that buy now button will pulsate like that, which is quite attractive. It'll actually get someone's attention, and then they can purchase from there if they wish to. You can also show me the money. You can also have analytics here as well, which shows you what the analytics actually look like. And you can snap, so one-click refunds, resends, receipts, setting downloads, counts as well. Fast, secure downloads, as well as work with tools you love. So as you can see, it does things like MailChimp, which means that they do autoresponders. You can do TikTok videos, you can do Facebook videos, and various other things. So works with all of that. Still wondering if this is going to be a good fit? Well, you got built-in payments, mobile optimized checkouts, large file size support, coupon discounts, simple analytics, automatic files, file protection, integration, websites, etc. And as you go through, you can see they actually have quite a lot of things. Right guys, let's go and have a look at site number 3. Okay, now site number 3 is called Sendow. Now, the wise way to sell and deliver your digital goods. Anyway, You can have a look through here and have a look at what sort of things they're doing. So as you can see, together Sendal users have made over $1 billion and counting. So that just shows that they are making lots of money, and it's a live count, and you can see that people are selling products as you're looking. So, and it's continually going up for the more people who buy from their sites. So Sendal obviously is a well-established site. If they've sold over $1 billion worth of goods, you know it's a pretty solid site. You can go down here and have a look through. You can also see it's got a Stripe integrated. You have your own analytics, which is really cool, and it's really easy to download or put things into the actual site itself. I actually had a look at that and joined up, and well, I'll tell you what, it was actually pretty easy to upload an ebook into it. Alright, now let's go and have a look at the legal side of things. As you can go through here, you can have a bit of a read through of what is allowed and what's not allowed, and you can read through and you can actually see it says nothing about private label rights products. So because it says nothing about private label rights products, you can sell private label rights products on Sendal. Now of course it has its own area where you can create your products and so forth. It becomes like a store of your own, and you can do that. Now let's have a look at the pricing. Now for $15 a month you get to have 30 products. You get 3 gigabytes of download storage. So in other words, if you wish to have a product that is maybe a video course or something like that, and it's less than 3 gigabytes to download, then you can do that. You can also have PDF stamping, meaning if you have an ebook or something like that that you want to put a watermark on, you can do that. You can also have affiliates, and it's customizable, and that's $15 a month. Now if you wish to go $24 a month, you can also get subscriptions as well as upsells, cart abandonment, and video streaming. So you can actually video stream on this if you wish to. Plus you also get for $24 a month 100 products that you can sell, 5 gigabytes of storage. You also have PDF stamping as well, and affiliates and customization. Now if you wish to, you can go $39 a month. Of course you can get 250 products. This is for people who are really wanting to be serious with their business and really wanting to take off. So you can have that at $39 a month, 15 gigabytes of storage, which means you can definitely store pretty much any of your videos that you wish to do at any given time that you can sell. So yeah, so you can do that with a PDF, and basically you have everything. But you can also have multiple users. If you have a business that you have business partners that you are in business with, you can do that. Or if you wish, you can start off with this one here, which I probably wouldn't recommend, which is only 10 products with only 1 gigabyte of storage. Very basic, and that's all you get with it. You don't get anything else. You don't get any of the other stuff. So this is Sendal. Alright, it's now joke time. A teacher is teaching her class English, and she says to young Billy, "I am young and beautiful. What tense is that?" Young Billy looks at her and says, "Past tense, miss." Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these 3 sites. Alright guys, just to let you know, over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Over here is an icon. If you press on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.